Problem 2. Andrew and Bethany are working together to write an 154,000-word-long essay. They split the work into sections, one for Andrew, one for Bethany. When Andrew has finished 5/6 of his assigned work, Bethany has finished 80% of hers. At this time, both students have written the same amount of words. How many words was Andrew assigned to write? So, let me first clarify something. When we're reading these problems, we have to be really, really specific. And right here said that they split the work into sections. And when it says sections, it doesn't mean it has to be equal parts, or else it would have said equal sections. So we have to be really, really specific when we're trying to understand and comprehend the word problem. And in a lot of these problems, it's going to use really complex wording and special words that you might get confused with. But remember, do not ever assume anything, because if it is exact what you thought it was, it's gonna write it, but it didn't write it over here. It didn't say it's split into equal sections, so we don't have to assume that. Okay. So we know that in total they're trying to write a 154,000 word long essay, and Andrew has finished 5/6 of his assigned work. All right, so in the problem we're given two fractions, right? One is 5/6 and one is 80%. So let's first convert 80% into a fraction. 80% is just equal to just a fraction, 80 over 100. And simplify, that's 4/5. So we know that Andrew has finished 5/6 of his assigned work. So what is the ratio? The ratio would be 1 to 5, because in total there's 6 units. That's what's making up the denominator here. And we also have 4 to 5. And actually, not 4 to 5, 4 out of 5 parts, which means 1 to 4. And altogether we have 5 units, or 5 parts. So altogether, how much units do we have? 6 units plus 5 units equals 11 units. And 11 units is equal to 154,000 words. So how much does 1 unit equal? Well, we're just going to divide 11 on both sides. 154 divided by 11 is 1,400. So 1 unit is 1,400 words. And Andrew was assigned 6 units in total. 6 units in total. So 6 times 1,400. And that gives us 8,400. So how much words was Andrew assigned to write? Was assigned to write 8,400 words. And of course, knowing this, you can also find out easily the number of words that Bethany was assigned to write.